Hello, here I am in London today having a day out. There's the Tower of London behind me, which is incredible. We're going to head over to Tower Bridge. In the back here you can see the Shard, which is really worth a visit if you come to London. So I'll keep you posted. Here I am in Tower Bridge, walking up the 206 steps to the top of Tower Bridge. Here we go. So here I am on top of Tower Bridge, and there's Canary Wharf, one of our two main financial districts in London. The weather is not so great today. I really don't like heights, and they have a glass viewing chamber, so you can see the road underneath me.
I'll be down there.
Been to many places today, and here's St Paul's Cathedral that was designed by Sir Christopher Wren, and it's made of Portland stone. And I would say that if you ever visit London and you come here when it's a really nice sunny day and the sun is setting, St Paul's looks incredible because the golden sun reflects off of this building and it looks amazing. So that's one thing I would really recommend if you ever visit London, and it's a really a stunningly beautiful building. And here I am now outside Harrods, which has a spectacular light display for Christmas in the heart of Knightsbridge with many exclusive shops. Really a wonderful time to be here seeing all the lights. If anyone's not sure what to buy me from Christmas, anything from Harrods is fine, so I'm easily pleased. Thank you.